moto.compilations. Hui.
Terve ja heipä hei.
Hui perkele. Mitä?
Pull it over there.
How can I? Okay. Jesus. What did I do?
What did you do? You're hot rodding, man. How about speed? How about too fast for conditions?
I
How
don't
about a
think-
proper lane change? How about everything else?
I'm sorry. I don't think I had my switch on the whole time, man.
How about I can't see your tag?
Sorry.
Where's your license at?
It's under there. I get it for you.
No. Sit right there. Sit right there.
I'm
sit
trying
right
to park it. I'm gonna put the
You're good,
kickstand
dude.
down, but
Just
sorry.
stay on a bike.
You want me to get my license? It's my.
You'll do.
Can I get it?
What's that?
I don't have any weapons or anything on me.
Where's it at?
In my in these shorts.
Go and get out.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Roger that. Should I put my bike over there?
We're a defender.
No, I was prior service, sir.
What branch?
Let me out
Army.
with you.
Was that, sir? What'd you say, sir? I just moved here like 10 days ago. I'm sorry. I probably was going too fast. I'm sorry. I probably was speeding. I probably was. I'm sorry.
Probably about it, man. Like I said, it's unmarked. You saw it.
I was only following you for like 10 blocks. Imagine if I was following you for longer.
Right.
I'll get it.
Sorry. Thanks, sir. I notice I'm not the only one that drives crazy around here.
77.
I kind of drive extra defensively on this thing too, just because you drive by everybody's windows and everybody's on their phone.
Well, you want to be defensive, man. Weaving in and out of the traffic like that, man.
Well, that's
Scary
just...
enough, man. You on a motorcycle, you already ain't protected, man.
I feel way more in control of this thing than anybody else on their phones in their car, though.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
but
Do you ride?
I'm not worried about you per se.
Right.
Like I said, it's everybody else. Like I said, in a car, somebody hits you, whatever.
Yeah.
You get nudged, but in this,
I know.
man.
That's why I at least try to wear some. I noticed y'all have a no helmet law down here. That's kind of crazy.
You gotta hope that when you take a dive, yeah, you'll be all right, but you gotta worry about the car behind you.
Yeah.
Are they gonna stop? Are they gonna see you? Like you said, it is what it is.
I know.
All right, my man. You got a citation, too fast for conditions, unlawful speed. Here's
I'm sorry
your keys
about
back,
that,
here's
sir.
everything. You got two options. One.
How long do I have to pay this? 30 days? How much is it?
$164.
Roger that. Does the first fall? Oh yeah, I gotta pay it on the first. I don't get paid to the first.
Yep.
Am I okay to go?
Yep.
I'm sorry, man. I know I was wrong.
You're
So,
yeah.
sorry.
That's it,
That's all
man.
we ask you.
Thanks, man.
There's a place, there's a time, man.
Thank you for your service.
Sorry about that, sir. Thank
8
you.
o'clock out here ain't it, all right, man?
Yeah, I know. Thank you. I'm getting pulled over. I think I didn't slow down in the 45. Hey, buddy. How you doing?
You have your driver's license and your registration?
Yes, sir, I do. It's my backpack. I don't have any weapons.
All right, go ahead and dig it out for me.
All right. Hey, I noticed that it slowed down to 45 right there, huh?
Yeah, and you kept doing 66.
Yeah, trying to just get home before the rain. It looks like it's going to be bad.
Sorry, sir, I can't let you do that past me like that.
No, sir. Yes, sir, I understand. Yes,
Everybody else
sir.
back here, so.
You've had a busy day today, sir?
No, sir, I just got on.
Okay.
Registration with it?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and get your registration with it and then hand it to me.
Okay. Believe that is the current. And here's my license, sir.
You live up this way. You
Yes.
know it's 45 through here.
Yeah, it slows down right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Especially right after you pass me. Why do you continue it?
I wasn't thinking to be honest. I was talking to my wife on the phone too. She was just checking on where I'm at. Actually,
I'll be right back with you.
Yes, sir.
Registration back.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Picard, right now I have charged you with speeding. However, I only charge you with 54 in the 45.
Okay.
All right, you don't have to sign
Awesome.
anything. All right. Ticket has to be paid by the 5th of June. Okay. Do you have any questions on why I stopped you this evening, sir?
No, I just hope you have a blessed night, man. Just stay safe.
Well,
my
I
dad's
understand.
a cop, so
All right. Well, I'm sorry about that, but I mean, in the 55.
yeah.
All right, I ain't gonna bother you.
I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tästä näkee tonne tielle, niin vähän sen perässä, että en tiedä oliko samaa poppoota sitten ne